Yes, good afternoon, good afternoon. What's your name, miss? What's your full name? Right, Madara, I'll give you an opportunity to introduce yourself to me. Tell me all about yourself.
I'm working at, I'm an entrepreneur.
You are an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
That's a good word to use. That means you know the meaning of entrepreneur. What is the meaning of entrepreneur? Okay, now we are fine. Fine. Entrepreneur, if I turn that into Sinhala, someone that අපි කියනවා ආධුනික නිර්මාණ ශිල්පී. මම මොකක් හරි ඉන්ඩියස් කරලා අලුතෙන් දෙයක් හදලා ස්කීම් එකක් හදලා ෆීල්ඩ් එකක් හදලා put it into the business field or whatever industrial field and try to turn something new and put people working under you are an entrepreneur. Right. Entrepreneur is a good word to use. People will be pleased with that, but know how to pronounce it properly. Okay? So you will learn that. Good. Go on.
Now I have a small cake business, and I'm starting. I want to become a chef, so I'm starting classes for that.
You are starting classes for that.
Yeah.
It's chef. Okay? Chef. Although it is written CHEF, it is pronounced as chef.
Oh,
Chef. So that means a chef in the Asian bakery industry or
no,
Asian bakery industry, right?
Yeah, it's in a sleep at Malambi.
Malambi.
It's called William and Institute. Now only I'm starting that.
How old you are starting? How old are you?
I'm 33 years
You are
old.
33. You have mentioned that in the beginning. Okay? Like my name is this.
Yeah.
You are 33 and you are from Morocco. Yeah. Now you are starting the sleep program.
Yeah.
Okay. So what else is happening in your life?
Yeah. Earlier I was working at video partners as a senior HR executive.
Okay. Senior HR executive. So why did you withdraw from there? Why did you come back to
I
something?
want to do
Your own thing?
my
So did you follow any human resource
yes.
diplomas degrees? What did you do?
Last I did postgraduate diploma in NSB.
NSB.
Yeah.
Human
After
resource.
that, I started master by all the things and
You came back here. Good. Right. That's enough for me. Okay. You told me your name is Madar. I'm not letting you go. That is the introduction part. That is the first question for you out of the 10 questions I'm giving you. Okay. Good. So this is your fourth class, Madar. Fourth day.
I was absent class
You are absent. Why?
because I had a funeral on fire.
So did you cover up your studies? Did you get to know what you have?
Actually, no, because these days I have exams this week and I have to do a lot of assignment these days. So actually I didn't do that.
Okay.
I
That,
did this class.
right. But that doesn't mean I'm going to lower my standards.
Yeah, I know.
So you'll be treated as the same. Because just like I mentioned, like it's your life and your money. And we have to do our part. Okay? So actually I'll be harder on you. I won't be easy on you. So tell me about tenses. Active and passive tenses. Did you get a chance to learn those?
Yes.
Good. Tell me about those.
Simple past tense, simple future tense.
How many tenses are there?
Sorry?
How many tenses? Good. Go.
Past perfect tense, present perfect tense, future perfect tense, past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous.
No, that's enough. That is for you to, that is what we call Panaparam. So that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. But that is a major aspect in this language skills. Okay, so tenses you have for in and out. Those are the topics of the tenses. Give me some examples.
I eat rice. I ate rice. I was ate rice.
I was eating rice. You can't say I was eating. Okay.
Okay, I was eating
I
rice.
was
Sorry.
eating rice. What about passive tense?
Passive tense.
Those are the active ones.
Passive Means,
Rice was eaten by me, something like that, no?
yeah, I was eating
Rice was eaten by me, right? Passive means the basic is that you are active means you are doing something and you are describing it. Passive means you are seeing someone or you are describing yourself from another aspect, from somewhere else, right? Keep that in your mind. So, learn that thoroughly. Thoroughly means you have to go to deep ends, right? So everyday conversations, there's a book, right? Have you been given the book? Do you have the book?
Yes, I have.
Right? Did you read the book or did you go through the book?
Not,
Not yet.
not yet.
Okay.
Not more.
Sorry.
I read, but
No, you read. I just want to know that whether you have turned the pages and read some. Okay, that you have done.
yes.
Alright. Can you remember something from that book? I'm not asking specific things. Just tell me one thing you remember from the book. Hmm? No, nothing. Right, okay.
There are
Madara,
not simple present tenses are there.
everyday conversation means everyday conversations. That means
Yeah, sorry, I got it. They have something we have to call with others.
yeah, you have to,
Like
when you are
sentences.
communicating with others,
Yeah.
dealing with others, there are several situations given in the book.
Yeah.
Right? Tell me situations. Can you remember?
Three people are there. I can't remember.
No, no. Just the
Someone
situation.
asked
No, no.
from the
Situation means let's say what places, like where at the movies.
yeah, they have a movie.
One situation is in the movies.
Yes.
What are the others?
Others are in school or universities. The one professor is there. I mean, it's a university.
That means can be an interview or something.
Yeah,
is
it's
there
not
an
an interview.
It's not an interview.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is something dealing with professor.
Yeah,
Okay.
someone wants to know about something about that professor.
Okay, fine. Is there a situation regarding a restaurant? Restaurant? No. A waiter, how to talk to a
No,
waiter?
no, they have.
There
Yeah.
is. Okay. We got that. Tell me about auxiliary verbs. You remember auxiliaries? Uh-huh.
Might.
Yes. Don't look at him. Look at him.
Should, may, might, would.
Yeah. So there are mainly two categories of auxiliaries. I'm not going to teach you. This is not a teaching lesson. I'm just here to question you. So go refer that. Right? Conversation book and the auxiliaries. Right? You are okay with the tenses, but I want you to go deep into that because that is one of the major things that we have learned. Right? So auxiliaries you have to learn. Let's say now you said you are from Morocco, right? So how do you come to the class? How do you travel to the class? By tuk-tuk. Okay, so don't tell me by tuk-tuk, just tell me by a three-wheeler. Use the proper words. Okay?
You want to go to direction?
No. I'm asking when you told me that you come here by tuk-tuk. You come here by the three-wheeler. You take the three-wheeler. Okay, so right. When you talk to someone, don't use like the mundane words. That means that words we use day-to-day words. Use the proper words, proper English. Okay. So, Madara, what I have noticed in you is you're okay to use the language. You know how to have a basic conversation, but our aim is to build up you on another level, right? To take you to another step. Listen well and handle your situation. If you're thinking about, let's say I'm asking you, I ask you this, and now you can't remember, now you're thinking. When you think, don't look down. Don't look down. You sit straight, you look at the person or you look at the same level. Okay, sir? You look at the same, don't look down. Do not look down. Okay, so because you have to keep a straight gut and answer. And if you, that's why I want to brush up on these. You have to have thorough knowledge. Because yeah, in the final session next week, hopefully. So when I come for that, you have to have thorough sound knowledge. You have to have confidence. Right? Sit back, yes sir, this and that. So I want to have to go on. Okay. So this is effectively your third lesson, third day, because we missed one, but for the others, this is the fourth day. So, okay, first, in singular, tell me what you think of this class and your experience, just for the sake of saying, just tell me in singular, okay? Singular. Singular, can you understand?
කලින් ක්ලාසස් වල සමහරවට කිව්ව තියෙනවා ක්ලාසස් දෙකක විතර. හැබැයි මේ එතන තියෙනවට වඩා මෙතන තියෙන සමහර පොයින්ට්ස් නිසා ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන දේවල් වැඩි. සහ ඒවා මේ හදලා තියෙන විදිහට අපිට ඒ කියන්නේ ඉක්මනටම මේ හරියට පාඩම් කරලා අපිට ඒක අංගල් වලට ගන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට ඔක්කොම හදලා දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් ලොකු බැරෑරුම් විදිහට නැතුව අර හරි සිම්පල් විදිහට ඔක්කොම දීලා තියෙනවා. boring නෑ හැමලෙම කියන්නේ නිදි මතක් වුණාත් එන්නේ නැහැ හැමලෙම හොඳට පාඩම අහගෙන ඉන්න හිතෙනවා
ඒක තමයි good turn that into English and tell me right
we can get a lot of things we can learn a lot of things in this class and teachers are very good to teach us and we never get boring of these lectures.
We never get bored.
Boring.
Bored. B-O-R-E-D. Boring means
bored.
Present continuous thing that we use in the text. We never get bored.
We never get bored
in this class.
Yeah, in this class. And we can get more knowledge with the simple patterns of the English. The patterns.
Right. Right. Keep your hands still. Right. Okay. I'm trying to correct you.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So if I don't correct you, nobody else in the society will correct you. But you are here. You talk. Even if you panic, nobody knows if you're panicking or not, whether you're nervous. Inside you, don't let the other person know that you're panicking. Yes, sir. We had a good experience. The teachers were good. Take it over. Easy. Okay. So, are you talking to someone in your family, at your home in English?
No, but I was working at video partners. We have I do recruitment in some in audit training. Okay. So I have to call them and
yeah. These days, I want, like in the first day also, I told you when you go home, whatever you do, classmates, colleagues, try talking English. That's the main.
And our classes conducted in English.
That's fine. No, the problem is, Madara, classes will be conducted in English. Lecturers will be give you notes in English. Until you use that in perspective, you will not, get the hold of this language. So that I will tell you again and again. But the thing is that no point if you are not using it. But however much your lecturers teach you, you have to put that in use. Okay, make sure that happens. And next session, I need you to improve hugely. So I'm not telling you are good. You are okay, but that's it. I need to feel better. Okay, you can go.